morning, y'all. Welcome to our Sweet Home Life. It's Glenda, and today I am comparing a Costco chicken pot pie with a Sam's pot pie, chicken pot pie. As you can see, MoeJoe and I ate a little bit out of this pie. It is a huge pie. You can tell how big it is, but it is really large. I had bought this to carry to our dance party, but unfortunately because of the snow, we were not able to go. So yesterday, MoeJoe and I ate some of this pie. I bought it at Costco, and we paid $23.70 for it. It weighs 5.94 pounds. And it is good. It's very good, but in my opinion, the one from Sam's is better. This one is more bland and does not have as many spices as the one from Sam's. I do not have one from Sam's today, but I ate one a couple of months ago. And I was really impressed by the taste of it. It tastes homemade. And I was really expecting this one to taste as well. Now the crust on this one is very, very good. It's just that the pie needs a little bit more seasoning in my opinion. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to heat this whole pie up, but I'm going to heat up some of it for lunch for MoeJoe and I. Okay, I put some of the pie in this dish for MoeJoe and I. And like I said, it's a little bit bland, so I'm going to take some of this garlic salt and just kind of sprinkle on it. And also some of this poultry seasoning. MoeJoe and I like a lot of spice. Now you may really enjoy this pie because you may not enjoy as much spice as MoeJoe and I. And then I'm going to take this and heat it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. But as you can see, I have half of this pie left. So MoeJoe and I never eat that much pie. So I'm just going to take the rest of this and put it in a freezer container and put it in the freezer. And then what I will do when I get ready to cook it, I'll just take it out and let it thaw a little bit in the fridge and then heat it up again. Maybe on about 375 for a little bit. So anyway, just want to kind of give you a comparison between the Costco chicken pot pie and the Sam's. Just taking this out of the microwave, I heated it up for about 5 minutes. So let's see what it tastes like now that I added some spice. I'm just going to get me a little bite. A serving of it. But I'm going to serve it along with this Fresh Express Twisted Caesar chopped salad kit. And this is the avocado Caesar salad. And it comes with the dressing. It comes with corn. And it looks like it has some tortilla chips in it. And also a sprinkle of cheese. I really enjoy these because they're so easy. But let me just take some of this and put on my plate. If you haven't tried these, you may want to try them because they make a great salad, especially in the wintertime when it's hard to get fresh produce. And I'll sprinkle some of this on it. A little bit of this cheese. Some of this delicious dressing. That looks good. So now I'm going to try my pie. Remember, I put the seasoning on it. Let's see if that hefted any. Well, it's some better, but it's a little bit dry. It really is. So if I had my pick, I think that I would purchase the Sam's chicken pot pie. That's my opinion. It's tasty salad now. Let's see what it tastes like. Now that's good. I believe you would like that. I taste the lime, I taste some avocado, maybe some ranch dressing. It is good. Now that is good. The salad is very good. So thank you for joining us today at Our Sweet Home Life. Hope you have a great day and stay warm. And if you have not already subscribed, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe. And we thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. That really helps us to get on the algorithm. And give us a like and let us know in the comments which pie you like the best. Do you like Sam's or do you like Costco's? And we'll see you next time at Our Sweet Home Life. Bye.